Pangalan Trifoni Elizabeth Mali. I'm from class 11 MIPA 2 at SMA Negeri 1 Atambua. Now, I want to present my excitement about making exposition rotatory text. Before I accomplish the task, I will explain the definition, purpose, and structure of the hortatory exposition. Hortatory exposition is a text to persuade the reader or the listener that something should or should not be the case. In other words, a hortatory exposition is a text that serves to provide an argument against something. Number 1. Thesis. Thesis is a paragraph that serves to explain something that happened, introduce what a problem or theme is raised. Number 2. Argument. In this section, the writer begins to convey some arguments or reasons regarding the problems or themes that are taken. Number 3. Recommendation. Contains recommendation. Here the author or speaker begins to convince the reader of this point of view. Hortatory exposition text aims to present a factual or opinion to influence the readers to do or not do something the reader likes. COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 is an infectious disease caused by a new virus called SARS-CoV. This disease first identified in Wuhan, China in the end of 2019. The virus widely spread over many countries and then in March 2020, WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic. In the early pandemic, most the people are disciplined in obeying the health protocol such as wearing masks, washing hands, and keeping a distance. These days, there is a pandemic fatigue where people are tired of being restricted for months in this pandemic. People are starting to abandon the habits of wearing masks and keeping their distance amid the pandemic that has been going on for nearly 9 months. Is it okay to ignore the health protocols? The answer is absolutely no. We should keep obeying the health protocols because the pandemic is not over yet. This phenomenon cannot be a reason for us to ignore the health protocols. It is because there is no care yet which to combat the ferocity of the coronavirus. The most important thing that we can do is stick to health protocols so that we can break the chains of virus spread. In addition, CDC or Center for Disease Control and Prevention recommend us to wear masks since it can prevent us from getting or spreading the virus. CDC also says that social distancing helps limit opportunities to come in contact with contaminated surface and infected people outside the home. This can remind us that social distancing is not trivial things which people can ignore. Social distancing is familiar in our ears since it is often mentioned nowadays. Is social distancing really important? Yes, it is important for us to protect ourselves amid the pandemic. Therefore, we need to continue to protect ourselves and others. To overcome fatigue in the midst of a pandemic, we can try to keep in touch with the people close to us so that we do not feel bored. We should remember that everyone can be exposed to the virus and vaccines still cannot be used, so it is important to always implement health protocols. especially when there is an organ mother that requires us to leave the house. 2. Information. Thesis in paragraph 1 to paragraph 2. Argument found in paragraph 3 to paragraph 6. Recommendation are in paragraph 7.
Thank you guys. See you next time.